Hello everyone, this is Christine. Welcome back to TEWREX channel. Today we're gonna take a closer look at XCMG Backhoe loader XC870K. Engineered for durability and performance, it combines a powerful loading and precise digging capacity in a robust package.
Let's start with the loading end. The XC870K features an optimized 8-link working device, delivering a class-leading breakout force of 66 kilonewtons. That's 15 to 20% higher than comparable models. With a bucket capacity of 1 cubic meters and rated load of 2,500 kilograms, it handles bulk materials efficiently. The discharge height reaches 2,770 millimeters, and the discharge distance is 755 millimeters, making truck loading effortless and precise. Now let's move to the digging end. The XC870K is equipped with a heavy-duty digging structure, providing a maximum digging force of 63 kilonewtons. It achieves a maximum digging depth of 4,425 millimeters and a digging radius of 5,460 millimeters. The bucket capacity is 0.3 cubic meters, and the advanced hinge point design ensures the industry's largest bucket rotation angle for superior soil retention. The entire system operates at 24 MPa, guaranteeing powerful and reliable performance.
The XCMG XC870K combines a powerful loading and precise digging into one reliable machine. As a professional industrial equipment supplier, we can provide not only XCMG but also a wide range of brands for you to choose. Contact us for more information.